What if I told you that the fork in your hand is actually a magic wand, capable of adding up to a decade to your life? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up because we're about to embark on a mouth-watering journey that could literally change your life. One bite at a time. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of how simple food choices can dramatically impact your lifespan, explore the science behind these dietary superpowers, and share practical tips to help you start your longevity journey today. And stick around until the end for a bonus tip that could be the game changer in your quest for a vibrant, extended life. Now, you might be thinking, come on, can food really add years to my life? But hold on to your forks, because the science is in. And it's nothing short of revolutionary. According to a groundbreaking study published in PLOS Medicine, making the right dietary choices could add up to 13 years to your life if you start at age 20, or 10 years if you're 60. That's right. Even if you're reading this in your golden years, it's not too late to make a significant impact. Dr. Walter Longo, director of the Longevity Institute at the University of Southern California, puts it this way: the food you eat is making your tissues and is making your brain. So why would you eat bad food? You're constantly rebuilding your body with food. It's like you're the architect of your own body, and every meal is a chance to build a stronger, more resilient you. The power of plant-based eating. Let's start with the green giants of longevity: plants. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes is associated with lower risks of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. These plant-based foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants that combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two major culprits in aging and disease. Think of your body as a bustling city, and these plant-based foods as the efficient, clean energy sources that keep everything running smoothly. The more you incorporate them, the cleaner and more efficient your body's operations become. Practical tip: start your day with a colorful smoothie. Blend spinach, berries, a banana, and some plant-based milk for a nutrient-packed breakfast that'll kickstart your longevity engine. Practical tip: implement meatless Mondays in your household. This simple change can help you explore delicious plant-based meals and reduce your overall meat consumption. But what if I told you that some foods could actually turn back the clock on your cells? Let's dive into the fascinating world of cellular aging and how your diet can influence it. Cellular aging and nutrition. Enter telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes that act like the plastic tips on shoelaces, preventing the genetic material from fraying. As we age, these telomeres naturally shorten, which is associated with cellular aging and age-related diseases. Here's where it gets exciting. Certain foods can actually help maintain or even lengthen these telomeres. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like fatty fish, antioxidants, found in colorful fruits and vegetables, and folate, abundant in leafy greens, have been linked to longer telomeres. It's like giving your cells a mini makeover with every bite. Practical tip: aim to eat fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines at least twice a week. If you're vegetarian or vegan, consider algae-based omega-3 supplements. Practical tip: snack on a handful of berries daily. They're packed with antioxidants that can help protect your telomeres. Now, you might be wondering, what about protein? Don't we need lots of it as we age? Let's unpack the protein puzzle and its role in longevity. The protein paradox: protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and strength as we age. But here's the twist: too much of the wrong type of protein might actually accelerate aging. Studies have shown that diets high in animal protein, particularly red and processed meats, are associated with increased mortality rates. The solution? Embrace plant-based proteins and fatty fish. Beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and fish like salmon not only provide the protein you need, but also come packed with other longevity-boosting nutrients. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. Or should I say, two health goals with one meal. Practical tip: replace one meat-based meal per week with a bean-based dish, like a hearty lentil soup or a chickpea curry. Practical tip: sprinkle a tablespoon of ground flax seeds or chia seeds on your morning oatmeal or yogurt for an extra protein and omega-3 boost. Speaking of goals, Have you ever wondered why some cultures seem to have cracked the code of longevity? Let's take a culinary trip to the world's blue zones and uncover their secrets. Lessons from the blue zones. The blue zones are regions around the world where people live significantly longer than average. Places like Okinawa in Japan, Sardinia in Italy, and Ikaria in Greece have caught the attention of researchers for their high concentrations of centenarians. What's their secret? While each zone has its unique dietary patterns, they share some common threads. A plant slant diet with plenty of vegetables, fruits, and legumes. Moderate consumption of fish. Limited intake of meat and processed foods. Regular consumption of nuts. Moderate alcohol intake, often in the form of red wine. It's like these cultures have been conducting a century-long experiment on longevity, and we're finally decoding the results. Practical tip. Adopt the 95/5 rule. Make 95% of your diet whole, plant-based foods, and allow 5% for treats or less healthy options. Practical tip: include a handful of nuts in your daily diet. Walnuts, almonds, and pistachios are great choices for their heart-healthy fats and antioxidants. But it's not just about what you eat. It's also about how you eat. Ready to discover the hidden power of your eating habits? The art of mindful eating. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to wolf down meals without a second thought. But practicing mindful eating, paying full attention to your food and the experience of eating, can have profound effects on your health and longevity. Mindful eating can help prevent overeating, improve digestion, and even enhance the enjoyment of your meals. It's like turning every meal into a mini meditation session, nourishing not just your body, but also your mind and soul. Practical tip. Try the 5 senses exercise during your next meal. Before eating, observe your food using all 5 senses. What does it look like? Smell like? How does it feel? Listen to the sounds as you take your first bite. Finally, savor the taste, chewing slowly and mindfully. Practical tip. Put your utensils down between bites. This simple act can slow down your eating, aiding digestion and helping you recognize when you're full. The spice of life. Don't underestimate the power of herbs and spices in your longevity journey. These flavor enhancers are not just about taste. They're packed with compounds that can boost your health and potentially extend your life. Turmeric, for instance, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Ginger has been shown to have anti-nausea and digestive benefits. Garlic is renowned for its heart-healthy properties. It's like having a medicine cabinet right in your spice rack. Practical tip. Start your day with a turmeric latte. Mix warm plant-based milk with a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, and a touch of honey for a delicious anti-inflammatory drink. Practical tip: experiment with herbs in your cooking. Try adding fresh basil to your salads, rosemary to roasted vegetables, or cilantro to your soups for both flavor and health benefits. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. The game-changing bonus tip that could supercharge your longevity efforts. Are you ready? Here it is. Embrace the power of time-restricted eating. Time-restricted eating, a form of intermittent fasting, involves limiting your daily eating window to 8 to 12 hours. For example, you might eat all your meals between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m., then fast for the remaining 14 hours. Research suggests that this eating pattern can improve metabolic health, enhance cellular repair processes, and even boost longevity. It's like giving your body a daily reset button, allowing it to focus on repair and rejuvenation instead of constant digestion. Practical tips: start small with time-restricted eating. Try limiting your eating to a 12-hour window for a week, then gradually reduce it to 10 or 8 hours as you become comfortable. But remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or eating patterns. What works for one person may not work for another, and it's crucial to find an approach that's sustainable for you in the long term. From embracing plant-based foods to learning from Blue Zone cultures, you now have the knowledge and practical tips to start transforming your health and potentially adding years to your life. Share your commitment in the comments below. Your insight could inspire someone else to take that first step towards a longer, healthier life.